If you did far from an expiration on Brexit, for example, I think most of that whole move was just news related and driven by the institutions to scare people out of the market so they could buy. I believe that's true because the worst thing happened, and what did they do the next day? They bought like hell. The same thing happened with the election, right? The put protection that was far away from the money just wasn't very dependable. It just didn't do anything. People in ratio spreads lost money, or if they're lucky, they broke even. It certainly didn't protect the position, right? They didn't gain enough money to protect the position. It's just a reliability thing. If you want delta correction, you're depending completely on, unless the market actually gets down to 1250. But if the market, goes 50 points or whatever and ends up somewhere in here, you're depending completely on a volatility to protect you. And if the volatility doesn't rise in this option, or it doesn't rise as much as you expect, or heaven forbid it actually drops, which can happen, it will do nothing.